on the wall, can you tell me who's the most helpful of them all? Who's the best in the world?
Who are you?
And words. I am the spirit of words. I help children. When children know me, they will know many, many things. They can do many, many things. Can you tell me, am I the most helpful of them all? Am I the best in the world?
How do you help children? Tell me more.
Let me show you. When you can read, then you can go from Sham Shui Po to Chun Quan O. Or read instructions that explain just how to build a model plane, or bake a cake, or cook a stew. The words will tell you what to do. When you can read, then you can play a brand new game the proper way. Or get a letter from a friend and read it to the very end. Oh, mirror, mirror on the wall, please tell me now. I am the most helpful of them all. I am the best in the world.
Spirit, spirit. So, you teach children many things. But, do they love you?
Of course children love me. Let's take a look.
I turn the pages of a book and go inside. Where crystal seas await and pirates hide. Oh, hi! I find a paradise where birds can talk. Hello, hello. Hello. Where children fly and trees prefer to walk.
Did you see? The children love me. When they read, they can go to beautiful places. They can see many wonderful things. Oh, mirror, mirror on the wall, please tell me, am I the best in the world?
Are you the best in the world? Spirit, spirit. It is difficult to tell, but I can take you to see some children, and maybe they can give you the answer.
I love you, Grandpa. You're the best. I love you for all the things you've done for me over the years.
Oh, thank you.
for caring for me when I was ill, and for putting up with me when everyone is at work, for keeping secrets when I tell you them. When my bike is broken, you fix it.
Okay.
I love my grandpa. He always spends time with me, so I've written time for me for my grandpa.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Thank you.
My grandma and my grandpa are so caring. Their faces are wrinkled, but their eyes are so beautiful. My grandparents are fun. If I rule the world, I will give them a holiday every day, a load of money, and pay their bills, and make their home a palace. Here's a message for everyone who's got grandparents. Look after them. My grandma is very nice. Whenever she sees me, she welcomes me with open arms and smiling face. My mother, I think she knows magic.
A mother has the magic glue that sticks the broken pieces together.
Done. Tried it?
Thank you.
Mom, I remember when I was small and afraid. You used to put on the light and show me all the familiar objects in my room. Then turn it off and sit with me in the darkness until I was quite certain the shapes were not moving.
Mother, tell me, you've got so many things to do. How do you do them all?
How? I just do them. Do you like your father? Why?
I like my father. My father goes to work on the train. He makes money. My father is nice. He is strong. I like my father. I gave my dad a picture, which I painted at school. He gave me a ride on his shoulders most of the way home. I love my daddy because he takes care of me and plays with me when I'm lonely.
Oh, Charlie the chicken. Do you like it?
So, Spirit, who can say beautiful words?
The children. They can say the kindest of words, the most beautiful of words. I think they love their father, their mother, and grandparents.
Yes, I think so too. So, Spirit, who is the best in the world?
But I help them. I am their words. The children can't say anything without me. I am the most helpful of them all. Oh, mirror, mirror on the wall, please tell me, I am the best in the world.
Wait a minute. Let's ask the children.
Spirit, we all love you. We think you are the best in the world because you are the most helpful of them all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you too. You take me to the sea, to a paradise. You take me to see beautiful birds and many other things. You make me think I can fly with you.
You've taught me many things. Read a map, build a model plane, and play a game.
Children, I am glad you love words.
Yes, we love the spirit of words. We've written a poem for you, Spirit. This is to say thank you.